Hey, it's Anissa bringing you a great deal on the ring light live streaming kit. Now, this is an item that maybe a year ago I would have said I never needed, but I find myself using this all the time. And that's because while a lot of people are working at home, we're now doing a lot of video conference calling. Whether it's FaceTime or Zoom, this is great because lighting can make all the world of difference. And with this kit, you're gonna get professional grade lighting at a super affordable price. Now, we tested a few different kits out and we went with this one because this has 48 LEDs and it goes from a warm white to a cool white and has 3 different brightness levels. You're gonna love the dual goosenecks. The one for your phone can hold a phone up to 3.5 inches wide and you can position it in any angle to get that perfect shot. And then the light is a little bit longer and functions in the same way. And then it's all put together with this super sturdy and durable clip that can clip onto a desk, a shelf, or even a countertop. And it's powered by the included USB cord, so you don't have to worry about batteries. It even has this handy remote that allows you to turn it off and on and control the temperature and brightness. Now, I mentioned video conferencing, but you can use this for taking pictures, filming videos, whatever you want. And we truly vetted this to be one of the better ones on the market. And we have a great price. Plus, when you buy more, you save more. So head on over to the site and pick up 1 or 2 today.